Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to upload your first YouTube video, step by step for 2025. First, navigate to YouTube Studio on your desktop, which is accessible through your Google account. Look for the Create button, resembling a small camera icon with a plus sign, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Click this button, and then simply choose Upload Video from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will immediately open the dedicated upload interface, ready for your file. Once the upload window is open, you have two primary options for adding your video file. You can simply drag and drop your video directly from your computer into the designated upload area. Alternatively, click the Clear Select Files button to manually browse and choose your video. Immediately after your file is selected, create a compelling title, aiming for under 100 characters. Also, write a comprehensive description, which can be up to 5,000 characters, utilizing keywords to enhance discoverability. A strong custom thumbnail is crucial for viewer engagement. It's the first visual viewers see, so make it high resolution and compelling. Next, organize your content effectively by adding your video to an existing playlist or creating a new one entirely. This helps viewers discover related content more easily. It's vital to designate your audience too. For most creators, selecting No, it's not made for kids is appropriate. This choice prevents content restrictions and ensures your video has access to full features. After adding your details, YouTube automatically runs several internal checks. These include copyright infringement and suitability for advertising, ensuring your content adheres to platform guidelines. Always take a moment to carefully review any potential warnings or restrictions that might appear. Finally, you will decide on your video's visibility. Choose between public, unlisted, or private. Public means your video is instantly available to everyone, appearing in searches and recommendations for maximum reach. Before finalizing, consider scheduling your video for a specific future date and time. This feature is excellent for maintaining a consistent upload schedule, helping to maximize initial viewership by releasing at optimal times. If you're ready for your video to go live right away, simply click the prominent Publish button. Congratulations! Your very first YouTube video is now successfully uploaded and publicly available for the world to see. You've just completed a significant step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.